Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're new, please make sure you subscribe and welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. So I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. So these are just some extensions that I added into my client's hair. Her name is Jojo, so I'm just going to tell you guys a bit more about her hair as we go along this video, so stay tuned. So here we're just cleansing her scalp. She had a lot of product in her hair, and so we're just trying to clean it, giving her a nice blowout, and she wants to wear her hair straight, so obviously we're just gonna do that for her, give her a blowout. And yeah, so this is just me washing her hair. So just to give you a bit of a background, Jojo likes to wear her own hair. So she really likes her own hair. She likes her hair texture. Sometimes she likes to wear her hair straight, and but she just feels like she needs a bit more volume and length. So I just felt like these were the best option for her because she wanted something really natural. She didn't want something that's too, like bulky or anything. So yeah, you're gonna see how I put the extensions in. It looks super natural. So this is her natural texture. We've just finished washing it. So, you need to do the extensions when the hair is dry. So that's why we have to also blow it out. And, when she's ready to wear it curly, she can. We use extensions that are very close to her own natural texture. So the only product I used on her hair was just heat protectant because I didn't want anything heavy on her hair because she's gonna wear it straight for quite a while. Baby, where you going to? Girl, you know I'm the one tell it to lemon salon. I'm very sure man king. Enemies they put me on. I'm running my race on my one. Says she wanna take me out. Body me no match. Baby me my fit. Telling me run my race. Try. Mommy me my fit. Or me no my fit. Monga do and your waist line. Telling me calore, but it mean no fetch. See anyway you ask me gone. Anyway you wanna go, sexy on nylon. Telling me run my race. So here's our hair straight now, and yeah, we're gonna get into putting in the extensions. So yeah, as you can see, it's like very nice and sleek, bouncy. Okay, so here I'm putting in the micro links. They're just little beads that you just attach to the hair. So that's just what I'm doing before sewing on the hair extensions. So I'm gonna put in a close-up of like what I'm doing so you can see a bit better. So it's best to just take like very thin sections for, adding the micro links because you don't need that much hair actually to attach it to it. So yeah, so that everything can just lay very like nice and seamless. It's just best to just take not too much hair, but also not too little, obviously, and making sure that you're strategically placing each, row where you want it to be, and so that you don't see the extensions. So now I'm just sewing on the hair extensions. As you can see, it's like curly. I blow dried it a bit before adding it into her hair, but I'm gonna straighten and everything. So yeah, just adding the extensions, and as you can see, I'm just literally using like one row. I'm not doubling or anything, it's just a single row, adding that, and then at the end I do cut the weft so that it can lay very flat, and here I'm just going to straighten to blend in with her hair. And they're gonna ask you where I got you from. Versace on your belt, so here's a look at the back. When we comb her hair through, you literally can't see anything, and that's just the benefit of this method. I feel like it just gives you like, it doesn't even look like she has anything in her hair, and that's her feeling it, and she's like very surprised because she's never done this before as well. This is her first time. So altogether I did 3 rows. This is where I placed the second row. It's just literally in the, like, towards the bottom but in the middle of her head. So here is where I placed my last track, behind the hairline at the top of her head. That's actually where you get the most volume as well, at the top, but it still looks very natural. It's just about placing it where you can put your client's hair into a ponytail or your hair into a ponytail. So here it is, all installed. So yeah, she's just testing it out to see, if the placements are okay. And you can always go back and see if there's anything poking out. So you can just take out maybe like 1 or 2 beads if you need to. But yeah, just make sure your client is happy and you know she feels like there's almost like nothing in her head. So here I'm just blending in the extensions by adding layers. Obviously you want to keep as much length as you can, but also make sure it looks realistic, you know. And adding layers just adds a bit of movement to the hair and just kind of lets everything flow very well.
Telling me run my wrist. Try. Mommy me my fe. Or me no my fe. Monga do on your wrist. Line. Telling me calore. But it mean no fetch. See anyway you ask me gone. Anyway you wanna.
So she was looking at the floor to see how much I took off, but she was actually happy that, you know, it looked very nice and natural. So, you know, as much as your client wants something, sometimes you just have to do what looks best as well, but obviously compromising. But yeah, so this is her putting her hair in a ponytail to see what it looks like. She could have easily walked out, but you know, she wanted it kind of like styled. So we're just gonna add some curls and just make it look, you know, a bit more glamorous.
Telling me run my wrist, baby. Try. Mommy me my fe. Or me no my fe. No my fe. Monga do on your wrist. Line. Telling me calore. But it mean no my je. No my je. I think I drank too much. Don't know.
So here is the final look. She was very pleased, and I'm going to add a clip at the end as well so you can hear what she has to say about the extension. And I think you guys should try this out. This is a very nice technique for just a bit of length and volume. I love it.
Hi, I'm Jojo Lara and I endorse this hair. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really flat at the back so I can just tie up my hair, which is great for work.
Yeah.
It feels really light and it blends perfectly with my hair. And also the texture of the hair is similar to my hair, so in the humid weather that we have right now in Lagos, when my hair starts to curl up, the extensions will do the exact same thing, so no stress.
Yeah, we use curly extensions for our hair. It's very nice. I love it. It looks so natural, guys.
I know, and it feels so good, like so light.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. If you try it, just let me know. Also, please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you can. Yeah, and just let me know what else you want to see. So see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Telling me run my wrist.